Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakubu right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to change your Gmail password without any stress. So let's begin. Well, before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content like this you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's get started and see how to change your Gmail password on computer. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you come to the top right here, click on your login icon. All right, so this is going to pump up. So next thing you want to do right here is to make sure you click on manage your Google account. Then you take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you navigate to security right here. Click on security. Then what you want to do is to just scroll down, and then right here you have to look for password. Then enter your current password. Then click on next. Next thing you want to do right here is to enter your new password right here. Then come to the next column right here, retype the same new password. Then click on change password. Then click on change password. So you can see right here that your password was changed, and you'll be taken back to the security section. By the time you scroll down, you see that you have successfully changed your password. So let's check it out. So the last time we changed this password is to this particular time right here. So this is how you can change your Gmail password without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on the subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.